Today I will tell you so how to fix this issue. So here you can see the application was unable to start correctly and this error. So why you see this error and how you can also fix it. So mostly it happens when you haven't enough settings to on your computer. So you see this error when you just try to run some game. So first thing, you just need to install Net framework on your Windows. So just write in the search Net framework, and you just need to install it to your computer. So you can also find it here. Also another thing, you just need to install it's DirectX. You just need to install it too, and the latest option you just need to install it's C++ runtime download, and here you can see you just need to install it too. So after you will install it, just try to reinstall your computer, restore your computer, and I hope that it will help you. Thanks for watching, have a nice day, goodbye.